Welcome to Outdoor Ideal. 1. Product name. HAVA 2025 New Upgraded Countertop Dishwasher. Enhanced Energy Efficiency. HAVA 2025 Upgraded Countertop Dishwasher comes with an optimized eco mode to save more water and energy. This environmentally conscious feature delivers excellent efficiency without compromising cleaning performance, making it a smart choice for an eco-friendly lifestyle. Integrated water softener. The HAVA portable dishwasher is now equipped with a water softener that effectively deals with hard water problems. Two. Product name. NOVETE Portable Countertop Dishwashers, Compact Dishwashers. Small size, large capacity. This portable dishwasher only measures 16.9 x 16.8 x 18.1 inches, but holds 4 full place settings and fits up to 12 dishes loaded at an angle, easily meeting daily needs for a family of 3 to 4. The double-layer design offers enough space for 4x serving bowls, 4x cups, 4x small plates, 4x dinner plates, 7x spoons, 7x forks and 7x knives, perfect for small-sized houses, apartments, dorms, boats, and campers/RVs. No installation needed. This countertop dishwasher supports 2 water supply modes. Three. Product name. EUHOMY Countertop Dishwasher Portable with 6 programs. EUHOMY Portable Countertop Dishwasher, compact yet powerful, measuring just 16.83 x 16.73 x 18.03 inches. Its spacious interior efficiently cleans over 30 items at once, including plates up to 10.25 inches. Holds 4 plates, 4 small plates, 4 small cups, 4 bowls, 2 glasses, and 7 sets of forks, knives, and spoons. Includes added convenience with a dedicated cutlery holder, a fruit basket, and a kettle. The perfect space-saving solution for homes, apartments, dorms, boats, and RVs. Four. Product name. COMFEE Portable Mini Dishwasher, Energy Star, Countertop, 6 place settings. 6 place setting, a perfect size, H 17.2 x W 21.6 x D 19.7, for 2 to 3 people. COMFEE compact dishwasher is suitable for dorms, RVs, and apartments. This countertop dishwasher can fit up to 70 pieces of tableware and has a plate size of up to 10 inches in diameter. Note: COMFEE dishwashers are tested at the factory before they are shipped. If your new dishwasher has some water inside, this is normal. Simple installation. COMFEE portable dishwasher can be connected to faucet directly, suitable adapter needed. Five. Product name. Hermitlux Countertop Dishwasher, 5 washing programs portable. Perfect wash, no more washing dirty dishes by hand every day. Hermitlux Countertop Dishwasher increases the convenience of your life. Even if the space is small, it can be placed in your kitchen. Make sure there's at least 19.88 between your countertop and those wall cabinets. 4 place setting capacity. The 120V portable dishwasher measures 16.85 x 16.73 x 18.03 inches, W x D x H, which has a 4-place setting capacity. And fits up to 10.25 dishes loaded at an angle.